Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Naveen. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm also doing great, man. And how is the day going for you? What are you doing today?
The day was good till now, and
Mhm.
hope for the best.
Yes. Stay positive, Naveen. All right. So this is our first session together, Naveen, right?
Yes, it's our first session together.
Yes. So can you give me a brief introduction about yourself, man?
Yes, sure. My name is Naveen Kumar, and I'm from Telangana state, southern part of India. I
Hmm.
completed BSc from Usmania University, and my hobbies are playing chess and listening to music.
Nice,
And
nice. Uh-huh.
currently, I'm focusing on English to improve my communication skills. Yeah.
Hey, got it, got it. So your native language would be something else, I guess. Is it?
Yes, Telugu. Telugu.
Oh, so మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
I'm fine, thank you. నేను చాలా బాగున్నాను. So,
Nice,
do you
nice,
know
nice.
Telugu?
I know very little. Some words, some sentences only.
Okay,
Nice,
may I
nice,
know
nice.
about you?
Yes, yes, definitely. So my name is Divyansh. I am from Delhi. So my native language is Hindi, but I know a little bit of Telugu. And I've been teaching since 6, 7 years. It has been some time now. And my hobbies include painting, music as well, and working out. Yes, these things. Nice, nice. Have you
Great. And
visited any northern states, Naveen?
no, I didn't. And did you visit Telangana?
No, not yet.
So, how did
In the
you,
future.
know Telugu very little?
Oh, through my learners only, actually. A lot of
Oh,
learners I
great.
have from Andhra, Telugu, Telangana. So I learn Telugu from them, actually, little, little.
So great.
Do you know Hindi?
Yeah, I know little bit. Manageable
Oh,
Hindi. I know manageable Hindi.
oh, कैसे हो नवीन?
I'm Tiku and Kaise hu?
Yes, yes, manageable. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Okay, nice,
So,
nice,
and
nice.
one question for you. And
Uh-huh.
you are basically from English medium, or did you study in your vernacular medium?
I come from English medium itself, but in our school we did not speak English actually. It was Hindi only. You know how I learned actually? I learned by watching a lot of movies, Naveen, and writing a lot. All right.
Writing.
So
So,
these two things I'm recommending to you as well.
what you
Okay.
will write,
Two things.
and what did
Yes,
you
yes.
write?
Let me tell you. So for the watching part first, every single day, Naveen, watch something in English. Okay. It can be anything, whatever you enjoy. Movie, series, shows, podcast, whatever you enjoy. But every day watch. Okay. And you can easily watch 40, 50, 60 minutes by watching whenever you are eating food. Okay. So if you eat 3 times a day, it will take you 15, 20 minutes at least every time.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So you can watch something in that. So easily you can do 60 minutes every day without separate time. Right? First thing. Second thing, start writing a diary, Naveen. So whatever things you are doing in the day and whatever thoughts you are having, at the end of the day, sit down and write all those things. All right. These two practices will help you a lot, Naveen. You don't need anything else. You don't need to read books. You don't need to read newspaper. Nothing else. Watch, write, speak. That's it. All right. Are you doing any of these right now? Are you watching or are you writing?
Yes. I'm watching videos, English videos on YouTube, but I am not writing on the diary. And sometimes I'll
Mhm.
write whenever I get any new word from that conversation or from that video.
Ah,
I just Google it, and I just Google that meaning, and I will write that word and meaning also.
that's great. That's great. Yes. All right.
Yeah,
Now,
the
one
whole.
more thing,
Yeah,
Naveen. Whatever words you are writing, okay, when you are having the session, na, keep them in front of you.
sure,
Okay. That way you can look at the words and then use in the session.
sure.
Right?
I will
Because
do
what is
it.
happening is you're not using the words, right? You have the words in your mind, but you're not using them in the session. Right? So if you use them,
Sure.
that would be much better. All right.
Yeah, whenever I will have a session, and I will just paste those words in front of me, and if it is the
Exactly.
situation, I will use that words
Exactly. Right.
regarding to the
Perfect.
situation.
Hmm. Right? Nice, nice, nice. Now let's learn one more thing, Naveen, today. Okay. How to speak more on anything. All right. I noticed that you have a lot of thoughts, but you're not able to speak them out, right? So let's fix that today. Very easy to fix. Okay. So do you
Sure.
have a pen and paper right now, or anywhere where you can write? Do you have something?
Currently, I don't have. But give me 1 second. I'll
Okay.
get it. Just 1 second. Here,
Ah, yes,
very.
yes,
Just one
definitely.
second.
Mhm.
Yes. Now I have pen and a small book.
Yes, perfect. Okay. So I'm telling you 3 points, Naveen, which will help you to speak more on anything. Okay, and we will practice them today. All right. So first, write down these 3 points. Then I'll tell you how to use them. Okay. First point, Naveen, is advantages and disadvantages. All right. Write it down.
Yeah, I wrote.
Okay. Advantages and disadvantages. Second one is history and changes.
History
Okay.
and changes.
History and changes. Yes. All
Okay.
right. And third one is examples.
Examples. Okay.
Yes. All right. Now let's see how to use these 3 points. So whenever you're speaking on any topic, Naveen, start with the advantages and disadvantages of that. Okay. Mention the good things, then mention the bad things. All right. That will give you a lot of things to speak. Okay. First
Sure.
thing. Then you can tell the history. Now, history means how it was in our parents' times or grandparents' times. Okay. You can compare right now versus at that time. Okay. And maybe have some changes also you can tell, and then you can give examples, maybe your own experiences or anything you have seen, anything you have heard, or imaginary examples as well.
Sure.
All right. So using these
Okay.
three, you can speak more on anything. All
Sure.
right. So let's apply. Sorry.
Yeah, and okay, we'll apply these three things on classroom. How the older classrooms and how the classrooms in.
Ah, yes, definitely, definitely, yes. So what can we say, Naveen? Do you think there are a lot of differences in the classrooms?
Yes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
uh, Classroom. When I was in my classroom, and
Hmm.
we used to read books, and we have a
Hmm.
blackboard, and our teachers
We
came
had
there, and
we had a
we
blackboard.
had we had a
Hmm.
blackboard, and our teachers used to write on the blackboard by using
Hmm.
chalk piece. Yeah.
Right. Perfect.
And coming to the nowadays, and
Hmm.
uh, now nowadays classrooms are having the digital boards, and
Ah,
I may not see the blackboard nowadays in a classroom.
hmm.
So they're using digital boards, and they're PPTs. They're explaining through the topic, and
Hmm.
if there is any topic, and they are preparing presentation on the topic.
Hmm.
So
True.
earlier we didn't have that, and just to
Ah.
they draw if is the topic about a heart,
Hmm.
from science, and they just draw randomly on board, and this is the heart, and this is the right side, and this is the left side of the heart, like that they
Hmm.
use it to explain. But coming to nowadays, and we have digital platforms, and they will just show you how the heart works, and how the blood
Hmm.
moves there, and it is very easy to understand how heart works. But earlier we
Yes.
didn't know that technique, so that
Hmm.
is the best thing.
Hmm.
And
Nice. Nice. Good. Good.
yeah,
Cool.
and
And
one more, and yeah, disadvantages, and I will discuss about few
hmm.
disadvantages. And
Yes. Yes.
when I was studying, and we have games period, so we have large
We
ground
had.
in my
We
school.
had. Hmm.
We had games period. So
Hmm.
in that games period, uh, in our school we have a big playground. So
Hmm.
we used to play very well. If we move one round in the ground, and it
Hmm.
becomes 1 or 2 kilometers. But
Oh.
nowadays, but nowadays we have there is no playground in schools. Many schools, if we take
Hmm.
many schools, there is no big playground, very little playground.
Hmm.
So nowadays, schools are they are performing indoor games like carom, chess. They are focusing on that,
Hmm.
comparing to the outdoor
Yes.
games.
Yes. Good point. That's a good point.
Yeah, that
Nice,
is the
nice.
disadvantage. And earlier we have that is
Uh,
the biggest advantage, and the physical,
hmm,
very physically fit when we play for a long time in a ground.
true. Actually, that is why I think kids are quite weak these days. Right? They don't
Yes,
have that much stamina, strength. That is not there. Very good
yes.
point. Very good point. Nice, nice, nice. And I think teachers were also very strict in that time. Like they should beat us.
They used to beat, and nowadays we don't have teachers who are beating their students. If they beat them,
Ah,
their parents will come and they complain to the management and the principal, and
hmm,
one of your physics teacher beat my son and it's not good, and like the parents
ah,
yeah. But earlier days our parents used to tell to teacher, if our kid do any mistake, and you just beat him, and you are free to beat him.
hmm. Yes, actually,
The
right?
biggest difference. Yeah.
Uh, they did not take care of us. They were like free. You can beat. You can do whatever you want.
Yes.
Crazy. True. Very true. That's a good point. And I think now everything is digital now. Like English Yari also, we are studying digitally now,
Yes, you're
right?
sitting in
You
Delhi
know,
and I'm sitting in
um,
southern part, and we're talking
exactly, right?
together.
Which is like hundreds of kilometers away, I feel, and we are
Yes.
talking in real time. That's, I think, crazy thing.
Great. And
Nice, nice, nice. Nice. See, now you were able to speak much more on these things, right? With those 3 points. Very good work. Okay,
yes.
perfect, perfect. Okay.
The-
So, how was your first day of college? I mean, like, how did you start a day? Do you remember that first day of college?
yeah, I remember that.
Mm-hmm.
Felt very scary, and but I
Uh-huh.
have very enthusiastic to go to the college. When I was in 10th,
Uh-huh.
and when I will complete this 10th class, and I want to move to the 10 plus 1, and I will see, uh, somewhat, we can feel free coming, comparing to the school days and comparing to the college days. But
Mm-hmm.
the we get much time in
Hmm.
college days.
True.
So we don't
That's
have,
true.
and generally we don't have homework in college. And in school days
Ah,
we have homework, and if we
yes.
come back from school, and our parents and you do homework. And when I entered
Hmm.
into college, if I go home and do your homework, just see, we don't have homework. I'm a college
Ah,
student.
now we don't get homework, right? Nice, nice, nice. Now some corrections, Naveen. Okay, small, small things.
Sure.
You
Yeah.
said I felt very scary. All right, now we don't say scary. We will say scared.
Oh,
Okay, I felt very scared. Scary
scared.
means you were scaring other people. You were ghost like that. You were
Okay.
scary. Okay, so we will say I felt scared.
I
Okay,
felt
very
scared.
small thing. Hmm. And one more thing I noticed, Naveen, you are using will also sometimes in the past. Like when I will complete my 10th, right?
Yes.
Now will is for future.
Future. Yes.
Okay, so no will in the past. All right, small,
Sure.
small things. Okay, so some feedback, Naveen, on that note. Now, Naveen, the second half of the session was much better than the first half. You spoke really well in the second half. So great work. This is what I wanted to continue in the upcoming sessions also. All right.
Sure.
Speak as much as you can. Okay. Best thing. All right. First thing. Other than that, two practices also I suggested. Start watching content and start writing diary. All right. Daily. And watch in English with English subtitles.
Sure.
Okay. That is the best way. So you will read the subtitles and you will understand how they are making sentences. So that will train your mind to make sentences. All right. That was very good. Mistakes wise, Naveen, past tense needs a little bit of work. Okay. But we'll fix that in the upcoming sessions. No worries on that. The most common mistake, Naveen, was have and had.
Haven't had.
All right. So for past also, you were using have sometimes.
Okay.
Okay. So that would be had. All right. Very small thing. Filler also you controlled really well, Naveen. You know was gone in the session. So very good work. Beautiful work on that. Okay. So overall, all in all, little bit work on tenses we need. Okay. Past tense specifically and speaking more, which you are already doing now.
Sure.
Right. Just these two things and you will be all set, Naveen. Okay.
Sure.
Perfect. So anything from your side? Any questions,
Yeah. Yeah.
queries, doubts? Hmm.
And give some examples on have and had.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. For example, if I'm talking about childhood, which is past tense, so I can say that I had a lot of toys. Okay, so I had a lot of toys for past. But if I want to say present right now, so I can say I have a lot of toys like that. Okay, so
Yeah.
just like that. Are you writing these down?
No, 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 no. I will watch our recording.
Ah, yes, 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 definitely. Okay.
There is
Now you
access.
tell me.
We have.
Now you tell me one sentence using have and one sentence using had. Naveen.
Um, I'm going to have a cup of tea by the time at 5 p.m. And I had coffee
Yes.
yesterday.
Yes. Nice. Nice. Okay. So very easy. Have for present, had for past. Easy things. Now tell me something you had in your school time. Maybe a
Hmm,
cycle, maybe some toys, maybe something else.
yeah. Uh, I had a school bag. That is not from the shop. I didn't buy a school bag from shop. And my
Oh.
mother just fixed that bag by using a rice bag. Did you get my point?
Oh.
By using
Hey.
a rice bag,
That
my
bag. She
mother,
made a
yeah,
bag. She
yes,
made a
she made
school
a
bag.
bag. Yeah,
Oh.
I had that bag.
That's amazing, man. So you could also carry rice in that bag with books
Yes,
like that.
but that is, the
Okay.
shape is similar to the bag from shop. Not,
Oh.
stitching,
Okay,
and
so we
my
could
mother.
wear it on shoulders like that.
Yes, yes, we
Okay.
can wear it
Oh.
on the shoulders, and somewhat we can wear it like cross also.
Oh, at
And then,
cross. Okay. Oh,
yeah,
that was
two
very
options
good.
for that. Yes, that bag I had in my
Nice.
school days.
Okay. Crazy, crazy, Naveen. I have not heard of this before. Like that is some creative stuff. Nice
Yes,
one. And you also play chess, Naveen, right?
yes.
So when did you start that? Like in childhood?
In school days, from school days.
Okay. So since long time you have been playing, actually.
But not regular, not on regular basis, and whenever we on occasional holidays, and when we meet friends who know chess very well. So we may
Oh.
not play with the chess to the all persons, right? And they
Hmm.
also know the game rules.
Hmm.
Who
They
knows the
have to
chess
also know.
they
Yes.
have to also, yeah.
Yes. No, definitely. We cannot just play with any random person.
Yeah.
Very true. Yes. All
But
right.
other games
So,
we can play. Other games we can play like carom, or if we take any
ah,
other game, and we can play with anyone, cricket or any game. But coming to the
hmm,
chess, and they have to know the few rules about that game. So if they don't
true.
know, we may not play, and we have to teach first. We have to teach first, game rules, and then we have to
Hmm.
play. But it takes
Yes.
some
Time.
time.
A lot of time
Yeah.
actually. Yes. Chess has a lot of rules. I guess.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Crazy, crazy. All right. So today, Naveen, we are going to talk about a crazy thing which is unsolved mysteries.
Yeah.
All right. So in the world, I feel there are a lot of unsolved things, unsolved mysteries, unsolved theories that we have in life. So have you heard of any such things? Like very intriguing things?
This Bermuda Triangle, I know earlier also I read in few books and few
Hmm.
articles. So from
Mhm.
there, something there is a magnetic, and what we call,
Magnetic.
yeah, yeah, some power is there, but ships are, not moving from there, from Bermuda Triangle. From Bermuda Triangle, if they go there, and they will, what we call, they just,
They get lost there.
they
They
get
disappear
lost
there.
there, and yes, they disappear, and we may not connect with
Oh.
that ships, and
Hmm. So they're gone
yeah,
forever.
yes, yes,
Oh. We don't find them later on.
yes, yes.
Okay. That's strange, right?
Yeah, that is strange and mysterious also.
Ah. So what could be there? I think maybe some aliens. Could there be aliens?
No, not some aliens, and this is the ocean part, right? Bermuda Triangle ocean parts, and we don't know
Ah.
what is under the ocean.
Hmm.
I
Yes.
think, and we
Right.
can call it in something, in ocean we can, it is the round water, and what is the correct term for that?
Oh,
If they what?
turbulence.
Yeah. So somewhat,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, so whatever ship goes, it goes into that round and it goes.
Yeah, then it
Oh,
disappears.
it disappears. That's crazy, right? Like, I don't think that will become a tourist spot ever.
Oh no.
People will not. People will not want to visit there, I
Yeah,
guess.
and then and
Crazy.
you know, recently, did you read that, Titanic ship, and five members went to see that parts of Titanic under the ocean, but
Mhm.
their submarine.
Mhm.
So that submarine blast there, and those five were died. Did you read that article?
Oh, I heard about it a little bit. That five
Yeah.
people went, and they were very rich people. They were, I think, billionaires or
Yes.
something,
Yes,
right?
billionaires.
And they
Just
all
they,
died in
yes,
that.
they wanted. Mm. So
Oh,
it's very
crazy.
scary to hear that, and
Actually, right? And it always happens to billionaires, right? They always go to see something and they die there, right?
yes,
Like,
experimental
I don't know.
things. Yeah, experimental.
Middle class people, you
Dangerous
don't go.
experiments. Yeah, very dangerous experiments.
They are doing actually. Yes,
Yeah,
crazy,
but
crazy.
they're very brave. Also, without
Ah,
we have to appreciate their braveness. So
bravery. Yes.
yeah,
Actually, we cannot do. We cannot. I cannot go there. Actually,
we cannot go there,
right?
and
Mm, true. We also don't have the money. That is a secondary thing. But
yes,
we are also not brave. All right. Now, one thing, Naveen, I noticed that you use the filler "you know" a lot. All right. So we need to
yes,
reduce that. Okay. The reason you use that is whenever you are thinking of the next word. Yeah? Whenever you're not getting the next word, you use "you know" like that. Okay. So whenever you're thinking of the next word, instead of anything, take a pause there.
sure,
All right. Instead of using "you know" or anything like that, take a pause. So fillers will be converted to pauses, and with more practice, they will be eliminated totally. All right.
sure.
Hmm. Nice, nice, nice. So tell me four lines about your place, Naveen, where you live. Just four lines without using "you know."
And
Mhm.
here we have Yadadri temple, and it's very famous temple.
Okay. That's good. Two lines.
And one more thing, we have Kolanpaka Jain Mandir.
Okay.
It's very famous, and
Mhm.
Jainis and all throughout the world, many
Mhm.
persons visit. It is a tourist spot.
Anything. How is the food? How is the weather? Is it
The,
raining or not? How is it? One more line.
the weather is too good here, not hot and not cool, and it's a good weather
Mhm.
to live.
Okay. So you can say it's moderate weather.
It's moderate weather.
Now you did not use "you know" in that, right? That was much better. So very good.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So I'm
Now
just
I
thought
have
that
written. Sorry, sorry.
while I am speaking, I am focusing on that. I should not use that word.
Yes, exactly. Right. So just that awareness will help you to eliminate that totally. Okay.
Sure.
Now I have also written moderate weather in the chat. Can you read it out? Just check once if that is visible.
Moderate weather, extreme weather.
Yes. Moderate is normal, normal, not very hot, not very cold. Extreme is very hot, very cold. Okay.
Extreme weather, very
Is
hot and very cold.
very cold.
For both,
Yes.
we can
Moderate
use
is
extreme
normal,
weather.
normal. Yes. For example, North India has extreme weather. Right. In summer it is very hot. In winters it is very cold. So we can
Very
say we
cold.
have extreme weather. Right. But South we can say we have moderate weather. In summer it is not very hot. In winter it is not very cold. Right. Normal, normal.
Yes. Here we have
Okay.
moderate weather. We don't have extreme
Yes.
weather here.
Yes. Nice, nice, nice. All right. So you can use these words now. Perfect. Perfect. Have a great day, Naveen. It was a pleasure talking to you. Manchi
Yo,
రోజు
I had
మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం.
sure, sure. Thanks, and thanks for your
Okay.
session. And
Bye.
yeah,
Okay. I'll see you in the next session then. Okay.
yeah.
Bye.
Bye,
Take
bye. Nice
care.
day.